A warm greeting to one and all. Dear friends, myself, Dr. S.B. Kishore, welcome you all in the today's session, upload and share of files and folders in a G Drive. So in the today's sessions, we are going to discuss about what is G Drive, why to upload the files and folders in a G Drive, then steps to upload the files and folders in a G Drive, and finally, how to share the files and folders. So what is G Drive? So G Drive is nothing but what? Your Google Drive or My Drive is launched on April 24, 2012 by a Google, and it provides a services of what? A storage and synchronization. So why to upload the files and folders in a Google Drive? First one, you can access your files and folders from any computer or laptop or on mobile device because of due to file storage and synchronization technique. Once the file has been uploaded in a Google Drive, one can share this file. It means not only you are able to access, but you are also able to share this file with other user very quickly due to the sharing service concept used by Google. Here, you can share the files and folders so other people can view, edit or comment on them. And finally, Google provide you a 15 GB of space on your drive for a free with a single account. It means if you have two accounts, you are able to store up to 30 GB of information. So next question arises, from where to upload? So of course, you can upload the files and folders from your local drive device into the Google Drive. Here device may be a phone, tablet or laptop, etc. Now what are the steps to upload and share the files and folders in the Google Drive? So of course, first of all, you need to open the Google Drive app, then upload or create the files and folders. It means not only you are able to upload, but you are also able to create the files in the Google Drive, and finally you are able to share and organize the file. Now in order to work with the Google Drive, first of all, it is necessary that you must have a Gmail account. So now let's see one by one. So once assume that your Gmail is open. Now click on the Google App Launcher, and from here select the Google Drive. So as soon as you click on a Google Drive, you will get a screen something like this. Okay. So observe here under the My Drive, you are able to create a new folder, you are able to upload the files, you are able to upload the folders. Not only you are able to upload, but you are also able to create the files using any one of this app. Okay. So it means you are able to upload as well as you are able to create the files in a Google Drive. Then next one is what? How to share the files. So you can share the files and folders so that other people can view, edit or comment on them. So remember, you are able to share the files from Google Drive. Then you are also able to share the folder from the Google Drive, and you are also able to make someone else the owner of the file. It means you are able to transfer the ownership also, and this can be possible by two ways. First one is what? By sharing, and second is what? By get shareable link. So what you need to do? Select the file, then right click, and then you will find here two options, either share or get shareable link. So now question arises, what is the basic difference between these two? So if you invite a member to share a file or folder, that is using the email address, it will take up what? A space in both the account. It means it will take a space in your account as well as in the collaborators, and they will be able to view or edit. It depends upon the kind of permission that you have provided to them. And on the other hand, if you are sharing a link of a file or folder, you are providing other what? A view only rights by a default, and share link is accessible to anyone that has the link. It means if you have created the link, and if that link is available with anyone, they will be able to access your files and folders. Now these are some of the references. And now it's a time to do a practical session. So like I said, that assume that you are in your Gmail. So from the Google App Launcher, select Google Drive. Okay, and you will get the screen something like this. From here, observe that it is a My Drive. Okay, so click on the My Drive. So you are able to create the folder, or you are also able to upload the files, upload the folders, and also you are able to create the files. So first of all, we will upload the files. So of course, we are uploading the file from the desktop only. So assume that I want to share this file. Okay, now it is showing what? Uploading 1 items, and this file has been uploaded. Okay, click on the recent and observe that this file has been uploaded. Now, in order to upload the folder, first of all, what we will do? We will see here how to create the folder. Assume that the name of the folder is, say, collaborative. Click on the create. Okay, so now observe that this folder has been created. Now here right click and select what? Upload folder. Assume that this is the folder that I would like to upload. So it is showing the 2 files are going to be uploaded. Now remember, when I am saying the uploading the folder, it means it is not uploading the folder entirely, but it is uploading the all the files of that particular folder, and that's why we have created what here? Another folder with the same name. So it is taking a time, and now both the files have been uploaded. So simply double click and observe both the files have been uploaded. Okay. Now, so in the recent, so first of all, so select the file that you would like to share, and then click on here what? A collaborator, and specify the name of the collaborator. It means specify the name means what? You need to specify what? The mail ID. Suppose, so you can share with n number of people, no issue. Okay. Now assume that in your class there are 50 students. In that case, you need to specify the all the 50 mail ID, which is very cumbersome. So solution for this is what? We will see within a moment. Now here you can also able to type the message and finally click on the send. Before that, observe that the kind of permission that you are going to provide to these users or collaborator. So right now they are what? They are editor. You can also give the permission of viewer or commenter. So simply click on the send button. I am giving the permission of what? Editor. So click on the send. So both the users will get what? They are now able to work as a collaborative. It means they are also able to edit this file. Now the next thing is what? Now how to share the folders using a link option. So this is the collaborative folder. Select this and now click on what? Link, get shareable link, and now copy this link. Okay, and now you are able to share this link with all the user with whom you would like to share. It means what? How you are going to share it? By any social media app. It means you are able to share this link either by WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, or any other social app through which you are able to share this link. Now it might be possible that not only those user, it might be possible that those user may forward this link to someone else. So they will be also able to access this your particular folder. Okay, so that is the difference between what? Sharing and linking. So I hope that you understood the basic concept of what? Uploading the file and sharing the links. Now remember that Google provides a 15 GB of data freely. So use it wisely, and with Google Drive you are able to do a collaborative work very well, and you don't need to create the multiple copies of this file that usually we do in the desktop. And these files or folders can be accessible from any one of the device. Okay, it means it may be a tablet, or it may be a mobile, or it may be a laptop, or any other device, and from any location. So that is the basic advantage of what? Google Drive. So I hope that you understood all the concept in order to upload the files and share the files. So with that, thank you very much. Have a nice day.